This way? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you zoom out like that so we can get a look at that brake point again?
All right, video, we're ready for Zoom here.
Oh, okay, let me see. Sorry.
Yeah, thanks. Can you zoom out on that so we can get a look at that brake point?
Okay. Let's see. All right, so
Let's get rid of that.
okay.
FYI, pilot, we have hard contact about 20 meters dead ahead.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yep. So that would be bearing about 135 southeast.
Yeah, right true, as you sit right now, so 147.
Copy that. I don't believe I have the tether to go look at that, unfortunately.
Yeah. No, you're just about at your end right now.
Yeah, which explains the interesting bouncing circular motion there.
Yeah. Do you want me to come down a little bit? Give you a little bit of slack?
Depends how comfortable you are.
Yes, go ahead. Okay.
I'm going to come back towards you here in a second. Are we clear, video?
There's a label on that piece. You could read it. Right. You just see it on the side of the...
Oh,
Seems
yeah.
like it's
Look
in
at that.
Indonesian.
There it is.
Yeah. Highway. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't quite make it out.
There's on, it says, or one. None? Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Is there anything here specifically you'd like to look at, Science?
I don't see anything. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Oh, there's an amphipod or something. You see the
Yeah, the right in the
crustacean?
bottom there?
Yeah.
There's some kind of animal behind it as well, isn't it? Wrapped up in it. You see something sticking out there.
Ready when you are.
tilt. Thank you. That's perfect. Tighter.
Yeah, this is supposed to go out there.
Santiago, can you, I see they backed up the map a little bit, but it would help to see where we are on the whole structure before we answer that.
Okay.
Yeah, but he said we're 2 or 3 kilometers away now.
Go ahead, Science. Will do.
Supposed to be 500 meters apart.
Do you want to see waypoint 3?
Is that what he was saying? So we landed in the wrong place?
Well, I'm not sure. I just want to make sure where we are.
So waypoint 1 is where my mouse is, and waypoint 3 is where my mouse is. Whoop.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. There's one here.
So
Waypoint
objective
1.
17. Each depth.
Wait a minute. Waypoint 2 is here, and waypoint 3 is on the green.
I don't think there's anything magical about waypoint 2.
Would you like a little tilt down?
That's if that's a chitin, that's the biggest chitin I've ever seen. Wow.
I can't say I've ever seen a purple chitin.
So it looks like something you would have seen in the old Star Trek, the original James T. Kirk version.
Yeah. Would be eating someone.
Yeah.
Verena, I'm not sure if you're listening, but there's a question from scientists in Jakarta about why the color of these animals is purple.
I haven't the faintest idea, Jeremy. Often the coloring at this depth is more a reflection of the lack of color, and that they aren't deliberately trying to color themselves. It's just a reflection of what they're eating and the byproduct. But that's the best I can do.
Thank you very much.
Can we get a size on it with the lasers?
Yeah, I think we came in with the lasers, but yeah, we'll laser it before we take off.
Yeah, okay.
Science, any parts of interest here? Try to... I'm not sure which end is front. That end looks like the back. That's what I was thinking. There's an antenna-like object on this end. In the foreground here.
We can hear you in Seattle.
Jakarta 2.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. If you look at the navigation screen, we have noted the right
Copy
coordinates
that.
that we're supposed to
Whoa,
do in this site. They're marked as T1 and T2.
that's my bad. We're all right.
The distance between those two is 500 meters. That's what it was in the site plan, but apparently it didn't get transmitted to the ROV.
Okay.
So it's probably going to be sediment from here to there, except the occasional little outcrop here. So still, let's just spend a little more time. What would be our transit time there, Santiago?
Let me ask about that. Oh, the distance between us and this waypoint 1 is around 680 meters. But let me double check what would be.
I mean, we have to make the best of our time one way or another, so if that means just doing the best we can down where we are, that might be the right thing to do. But
Are we examining the kite
Go ahead,
finally,
Science.
and the creature living upon it? Now that I believe is a chitin.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. 219 minutes, which is 3.6 hours. Yeah, about an hour, almost 2 hours. 1.8 hours. Yeah. One second, let me check.
Copy that.
Science? This is the navigator? Approximately 2 p.m.
Can we kill the lasers, co-pilot?
Yeah. Local time.
Lasers are off.
Let me ask my navigator. Pilots, I have a question. This is the navigator.
Go ahead, Nav.
What's the fastest you feel comfortable going at?
Well, we've done half a knot before,
Okay.
but there is no stopping at half a knot. We're just cruising over the bottom, and if we see something, we have to wave hello and goodbye to it.
Okay, I'll ask Science if they're comfortable with that. Science? This is the navigator. Half a knot is the max, but we're not going to stop. No. To get to point 1, T1, it will be 44 minutes.
Video? What's going on?
Science? This is the navigator. Approximately 2 p.m.
Can we kill the lasers, co-pilot?
Yeah. Local time.
Lasers are off.
Let me ask my navigator. Pilots, I have a question. This is the navigator.
Go ahead, Nav.
What's the fastest you feel comfortable going at?
Well, we've done half a knot before,
Okay.
but there is no stopping at half a knot. We're just cruising over the bottom, and if we see something, we have to wave hello and goodbye to it.
Okay, I'll ask Science if they're comfortable with that. Science? This is the navigator. Half a knot is the max, but we're not going to stop. No. To get to point 1, T1, it will be 44 minutes.
Video? New to
Oh,
me.
fish, really?
Yeah.
A lot of floatings.
Did you see it? Did you get them with the other camera?
A
There
lot of
are a
floating
lot of
stuff.
floaties.
Bang, bang,
Oh,
bang.
those are.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, you trying to zoom on the floater?
Yeah, please.
Go for it.
Those are pelagic sea cucumbers. The swimmers.
Look at that.
What is that tube thing inside of it?
That's digestive tract.
Yeah.
It's basically the food.
Nice job.
That's spectacular, EX.
Yes, it is.
It's getting very close. Very close. Get it back into the lights here. Yeah, this guy is very cooperative.
Yeah.
What's the species science? Beautiful.
Odd is definitely a key word there. All right, that's probably all we're going to see of our friend there.
Do we get a
Well, that's probably a bit too close to zoom on that shrimp.
Give it a shot. Boy, you're getting up on
Nice.
top of stuff today, Tom.
Nice.
He's cooperating. Backed off just enough.
I don't know if I can. There we go. We're getting near the end of our focal point.
Now we're looking into this shrimp.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
And then he's going to walk right through the frame.
Can really see his swimming technique there. Poor guy's going to be blind for a week. Look at the hairs on some of his antennae. Wow, that's awesome. And cut.
Wow, nice work, video.
Thank
Excellent.
you. Nice piloting.
Camera shy.
Wow,
Scared
he's
him
got
away,
he
Tom.
got some really
Look at that.
long
Wow.
antennae. Look at that. That's awesome.
That's quite the shrimp.
Yeah.
All right.
He looks a little different
So
than his
pilot?
friends
This is
further
science.
up.
Go ahead, Science.
Yeah, you see that there's a little like coral-like thing on the rock right next to the shrimp.
Yeah, right up on the top here.
Yeah, we can zoom on that.
We will do the best we can.
I think we want to just pretty much look at everything that lives in.
bit more. See what we got for. Just rack the focus to the background.
It's like the same kind of coral
Yeah,
back there.
same species, yeah. I don't know if we can see, if you tilt down, we might be able to see something at the base. Might be obscured.
Whoop. All right, video, you want to start at the base here?
Sounds good. Just to tilt down more if you got a touch more tilt down. Right on here. Let me just finish this guy up and then I will hop out. What time is it anyway? My phone over here somewhere. When I try tilting up, I'm gonna come a little bit wider. It's one of those other smaller corals there at the base as well. Perhaps one of the intersections or a branch comes off might be of some interest.
Yeah. There seems to be something, if you tilt the camera a little up on your left, there is...
You've got a small
There
crab
is
or
something.
something.
Yeah.
Can we get any tighter on that
Yeah,
video?
absolutely. Focus on it.
Is that a very small shrimp?
Huh.
Yeah, it is a very small shrimp. Translucent.
Oh, that's cool.
It's fluttering.
And he's
Ooh.
saying, hey, what's up with the light?
Good eye science.
Thanks. Very small.
Very
Yeah,
small.
very small.
I try to laser him, but I think he's about the size of a dot.
It might be the size of the laser itself.
Pretty intense.
Is that all the zoom we can get?
Yeah,
I
that's
bet
full.
it is.
That is full extension. Yeah.
Yeah,
We need a microscope now.
Yeah.
Wow.
well, there's something you don't see every day.
It's very well camouflaged, though.
I wonder if
those
it's
red
there
eyes.
by choice or he got
Stuck.
trapped by the coral.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it could be having a bad day. You're right. Pull back so you can get a sense of scale here. It's very small.
There goes another sea cucumber in the camera platform.
Yeah, the sea cucumber. It's kind of bobbing about. It is. Yeah.
Cat's full.
If that is.
Hey, Verena.
Chicken. It will be a rat tail, the family Macrouridae, or the grenadiers.
Thank you, Verena.
See if we can fake him out here.
Picking up speed.
He's got his nose into the current.
Jakarta and Seattle, this is EX.
So Seattle, go ahead.
Yeah, I can't access the event log. So if you have any requests or any thoughts, just please talk over the intercom.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
In that case, Santiago, do you mind if I leave this line open
I don't know who's chasing who at the moment.
so that you can hear Victoria right away when they make a request?
Yes, please. That will be great.
Or should I use the watch? Should I use the watch leader line or the which one? Party or watch leader?
Yeah, let's use the party. That way.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
All right. So you, Vic, and Hui, just so you know, we've got the microphone that goes to the party line trained on the conference phone.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Pilot
Let's do the jellyfish.
Yeah, go ahead.
That red thing is the.
Excellent transition.
Jellyfish is easy. It's more in the current. Oh, he has some locomotion of his own here.
Nice. Picking up speed.
He's making a liar out of me. There we go, into the good light. We can do a little zoom here.
Roger that.
Okay, let's hold that and see if I can fly with this.
Roger.
That's a nice.
Hey, EX, this is PMEL.
Go ahead. This is it.
Hey, we're just talking to Verena and Victoria, and I think we're all about ready to start moving at a little quicker pace towards whatever waypoint we're working towards.
Okay, I'll transmit that.
Thank you.
Pilot and nav, this is science.
Go ahead.
I think we should start moving.
Yep, we've done that. We're doing it.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is not the same fish, is it?
Now,
Bridge.
Okay,
This is the
so
navigator.
Slightly
that
different
last
color.
guy
Yeah,
that
it's
we were
darker.
looking at
When
was
you
not a
start
grenadier. This one
rotate
is,
and just
right?
eel-like. I'm
Bridge.
sorry, can you repeat that?
Bridge, ROV navigator.
Actually, I'm just talking to Seattle group.
Oh, okay.
'Cause it's got the last fish had a big a caudal fin on it, whereas this has got the fin going all the way around.
I don't know what kind of fish it is, but
Didn't answer. Bridge, ROV navigator.
Different rock.
Could you please move the boat 680 meters, bearing 069 at 0.1 knot?
Why?
That is correct, Bridge.
got a
Thank
bit
you.
of a club head there.
Oh, I see why. Yeah.
Wonder if that's sort of a hard shell of a head, and he kind of just shakes it around as a defense type of a tactic.
ROV pilots, navigator.
Go ahead, Nav.
It's max zoom. It's a new species of sponge.
Whatever it is, it likes to aggregate granular materials. A lot of shells, sand grains.
There's a little bead
Yeah.
just to the lower right as well.
Looks like one of those xenophytophores that we were talking about yesterday. That are single-celled organisms.
Those little ball.
Giant. Yeah.
That's a single cell organism?
Yep.
That marble?
That is max zoom.
It's amazing. Okay, thank you.
Or is it something that's moving?
Let's hold that right there for a moment.
Opioids.
There's a crab at the bottom.
That looks like
Let's let some of this stuff blow by here.
Science, do we know what this is?
It's another one of those little single cell
I don't
guys
know.
over there too.
It might be a tube worm, maybe.
Okay,
really don't know.
we can go macro on this now.
It's max zoom.
Okay. Tilting up.
I think it is a tumor, but there's some probably hydroids growing on it.
You sent me a little article about this bulb.
Tilting down.
Thank you, science.
No problem.
But we're not sure, are they, do you think? Oh. Well, they're not variegated, the ones we're seeing. But that could just be an
And
issue of how
tilting up
close
and
we
come
can
out.
look at 'em. Or an issue of species.
Yeah, Santiago, can we take a really close look at the stem? I'd like to see what's constructing it in there.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that, Verena?
I think they're going to ask for a much tighter shot.
Could we take a close look at the stem on this? See what it's constructing?
It's max zoom.
There's something hanging out the end there.
OX, this is Seattle. We have a request to view the base. OX, did you copy that?
Science, are you here in Seattle?
No, I don't. I can listen.
No, it was science I was asking.
Oh.
I don't know.
Go ahead, Seattle.
OX, this is Seattle.
Go
Okay.
ahead, Seattle.
We have a request. We have a request to view the base of the structure, please.
To what?
We're asking for the base.
Base.
To view the
Base
base
coming up.
of this structure.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Pilot, this is science.
There
Did you
you
hear
go.
that? Pilot, this is science.
There
Did you
you
hear
go.
that? Thank
I
you.
seem to have buried the base somewhat here.
Actually, I believe it was buried before you came up here. I looked at it as we came up.
If these guys are filter feeders, they're getting a feast.
Mm-hmm. I think they've got everything they can get out of it. I'm going to zoom out.
Okay.
OX, this is Seattle. We are all set.
Okay. Copy that, Seattle.
And there was an object to the right here that was.
Two. Maybe.
I think the right one gives more detail.
That is Maxim.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to tilt up. We'll get the tube. And working my way down the tube.
You had one more step down.
There's more down. Oh yeah, there is more to it. There it is.
Yeah. Cool. Interesting.
Okay, I'm coming left and up the neighboring tube.
Oh, off the road.
Oh, there's a brittle star.
Brittle star.
It's a very pale one. Okay, let's go wide and see the whole neighborhood here. Yeah.
Might start to feel a tug soon here, probably.
Oh, okay, let's get out of Dodge. Full wide, please. So hold that.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I think it's out of your light again.
I'm backing up.
Very cool.
Can we go tighter?
I don't know if I could fly on it. You can try.
Yeah, he's starting to get away from you.
Yeah, he's gone up. Wow.
I think that's good enough, pilot. Thank you.
Okay.
But it's beautiful. Pulling out.
Ah, that's one of those black corals with the. Can we try and get a good look at the
Other
worm?
side.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't worry, we'll get there. We'll get this side first.
I think it's turning.
On cue.
There it comes.
Keep coming, coral.
Well, the other side's easy. That's the down current side, so we will give you what you want.
Thank you, pilot.
I'm afraid you may be fighting the same spin from the other side.
Ah. Hold that for a moment. All right, there we are.
How are we doing on that science? You see all you need on this?
Yeah, that's great. I'm just thinking what it is. I don't know what it is in the middle. I thought it was a worm, but it doesn't look too much like a worm right now.
New species of.
Seems to be something on that piece of wood to your left, pilot.
Okay. I take it we've already captured one of these.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, drat. This looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think this would make good video.
All right, I'll just tarry here for just a moment and then.
Can I give you a partial zoom?
Yeah. Hold that.
Looks like a nudie brank.
Too tempting.
Can we do full screen?
Can do a little bit more. So that's all I can handle right there.
I think all the fecal matter we're seeing is from these guys.
Yeah. Okay. So we have.
Look at that.
It's coming towards you.
We've learned who do the poo.
He's coming towards you.
I'm pulling back.
So they land on the sediment, eat a bunch of it, and then they take off to another place.
So there's obviously some really big ones of these pulling out slightly.
Yeah. Coming up.
You want me to push back in?
Right.
Okay.
Hold that.
Wow.
That's what we like.
Just found a replacement for our dancing sea cucumber.
Yeah.
He's really close to you now.
Yeah. Backing up. That's the magic spot right there.
Zooming out.
Yeah. Okay.
You're full wide.
All right. Here we go. Hold that.
It's taking off.
And I don't have my focus. I think he uses it for ballast. Ooh, he's got a mouthful.
He's ready to explode.
Pulling out.
Okay.
Going full wide.
Can we look at this guy?
Yes.
I think that fish might have been what I thought.
Let's zoom on this guy.
They want him.
Oh, you're right.
The purple guy.
Oh, there's also a fish past him for when we're done with this guy.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Thank you. Pilot, did you see that fish?
Yeah, I see the fish.
Okay, can we do that next, please?
Yes.
Co-pilot, I'd like to use your camera to help with these.
Roger that. Go for zoom.
Copy that.
Looks like we found another culprit for the
That's nothing but poo.
excrement.
Poo makers here.
Just take it in and let it out. Displacing the sand.
This is their nutrition. This is their nutrition.
Science, what are we calling this?
Hold on, I have the name on top of my head, but give me a second.
Poo makers.
It's the best name I got.
We got purple poo maker, red poo maker.
Come in all varieties.
Then we have the great poobah.
geology. The specimen from the fauna is called coprolite,
Coprali.
but the young coprolite.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Calling it coprali.
he's got a loaded gun.
It's max soon.
Tilting up. Actually, I'll start tilt down first.
Yeah, so we have a name for it.
Ah,
It is an enterobnust. I don't know how to
Terranoost?
pronounce it, but easy name is an acorn worm.
Ah,
Yeah.
do we have some
acorn
kind of
worm.
spelling for that?
For acorn?
Oh, just call it acorn.
Acorn worm.
AKA.
It's a hemicordate.
Is that camera running away from you, pilot?
Yep. It is.
Pilot, can we please get the lasers on?
Lasers coming on.
Lasers are on.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, it's laying all wadded up.
Now
Okay.
this is science.
Go ahead, science.
Could we please
Whoa. Sorry.
it's getting clean.
It's a lot of sediment down there, boy.
Yeah, this is a difficult environment here.
That's why all the creatures are down there eating. We appreciate you indulging us. That's new scientist.
Pilot, could we please get the lasers on?
Lasers.
Santiago, this is Seattle.
Go ahead, Seattle.
We have a request also to get the crinoid just below us. It's I guess
crinoid
clearish.
to
It's
our
hard
left.
to see.
Got it.
Crinoid. On the left?
There it is right there.
That one?
Nope.
Right.
I
It's
think
to the
it's-
right of the anemone on that rock on the right. It's a small stalked one. It's very
Okay.
hard to see. It sort of blends with the sediment.
We'll try to find it.
Very small to the right of the
Thank you.
anemone, they're saying.
Yeah.
to
I
the-
guess if you can do a zoom right here of that the one that is right on the laser before we go
Okay.
looking for the crinoid.
Zoom, please.
Is that another anemone?
Yeah. And there's a shrimp. That's good.
Okay, let's come out and find the crinoid.
Is there any chance we can get a zoom on that shrimp before we go?
They're asking for shrimp.
Hui, I think we have limited time because we need to catch up with the ship. So
Okay.
probably,
Okay. No worries.
probably have to look at the crinoid and then take off.
Can we look at the heart of this while we're turning?
Yeah,
Oh,
jump
do you
in
see
there
it?
real quick.
I think it's on the right.
Yep,
Yeah, I
it's
know where
just
the
coming on
crinoid
screen
is
now,
It's just to
Santiago.
the right of this.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty
a
cool,
beautiful
huh?
shot.
Looks
Looking
neat.
out for you.
Yeah. What's that plea up there?
It should come on screen on your right. Right now.
There it is.
Right now.
Holding the zoom, partial.
Yeah. Okay, let's come back in on this crinoid.
Zooming in on the
Not giving you both?
crinoid slowly.
So we're looking up stock crinoid.
Mm-hmm.
That's not
It's
something we
raining
see very
poo
often.
makers over here in my screen.
This is a particularly but we see.
Pulling out a little bit. Make it easier for you.
Yeah, if we want to macro it, I'll have the bottom here.
Interesting.
I think that should give them
Heading
enough,
for it.
unless they disagree.
And then we can see Xeno 540. You know what those are?
Go ahead, Rich.
I think it's a Fresnel, Santiago.
Yeah, I was gonna say. That's one of those.
one of those.
Opioids, you say?
Yeah.
Naturally gravitate towards the shelter.
Yeah. Can I zoom?
But this,
more?
yeah, you can resume some more. This looks very freshly dug here.
Looks wet. Look at that.
Well, it would be wet, but I mean,
Well, I mean,
I know what you mean. It's just different colors.
It
so
has
this
a
is
slime to it. How's that?
This is the soil under the detritus. It's a little tiny starfish down there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're clear with this, or you want
Yep.
some more zoom?
No,
Okay.
it's making me queasy.
All right. Full wide.
Everything that we've been,
Doesn't
well,
seem quite as smooth as the others.
we do
This
have
is
the
different.
capability to
He
walk,
has
I'll say that.
long, thin
More smooth and no pricklies.
antennae, for lack of a better term, and he's kind of got that
You want to zoom
month-old
so you
potato
can scroll
look.
around him?
I'm gonna do an orbit here.
Yeah, I think we've seen this guy a couple of times before. So
Not the smooth one.
Yeah, this is different in surface texture, and so I mean, he may be a
Older one or
yeah, or
something
distant,
like
yeah,
older one or
yeah, or
something like
distant
that.
cousin, or maybe he's diseased or something. But
You want me to zoom? Oh, he's rolling over. He's going to show you his bottom.
I think that's me.
well, that would be good.
Coming at you. Oh, scared the
I was
scared
waiting.
the sand out of him.
I was waiting for that to happen.
It's gonna swim.
This is what we call.
Start
Well,
swimming.
we won't call it.
Look
what
at
we're gonna
that.
call it.
Yeah, this is different, guy. This is another sea cucumber, I think.
You got them all excited there, Dave.
You want me to give you a partial zoom, Dave, or you want to stay
Let's
wide?
just hold this.
You were right, pilot.
Yep, he's coming after you. Adjusting focus.
getting away.
Feel free to zoom in camera platform as well, video.
Copy that, co-pilot.
A good picture of this.
Just close up.
I think it's partially closed. I think it's one of those we saw the other day.
Just get a quick zoom on it. Just
Copy that.
Sounds like a clam.
Yeah, I guess it closed up. Okay. Off we go.
Off we go.
Oh. So it's sitting now.
It's eating. See if we can see it moving in.
He looks pretty full.
I think he's packing it away.
With shrimp.
Yeah, there is. You're in my left limit here, pilot, so I'm going to swing around.
Okay.
Be gone for a second.
Oh, there's actually animals living there, so I don't know if you can get them from here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Nav, what's our CTD depth, please?
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
CTD depth is 3139 meters.
CTD 3139. Our OV is 3132.
Science, this is Nav. What do we have in our view?
This is black coral with a couple of amphipods hanging.
Video's in full.
Thank you, Science.
No problem.
It's a crab or something.
It's one of those
Yeah.
crabs with
Pyramids.
the.
Oh, look.
Corals.
Has its
It's got, well, that's a little different
anemone.
there.
Yeah, it's a different one.
Anemone.
Definitely.
Go for zoom if you like video.
Yeah, it's an anemone.
Oops, see you later.
His anemone is stowed.
Wow. There's something on the sediment.
The white thing?
Yeah, white, kind of purple white. Yeah.
Is that a little nudibranch?
It looks.
Worm?
Zoom's full on.
Oh, come out, please. Am I getting tugged?
No, you're.
This one looks deflated.
Yeah.
This one's smooth, but a little different. It's still got some bumps on its back there.
Nice fly around.
Thank you.
Ten centimeters.
a zoom on this guy video if you like. He's got lots of little critters leeching off him.
Yeah.
Hitchhikers.
And video's out.
Coming up a little here. Come out, please, video. Thank you. It's another one of those collector urchins.
That's an urchin, but it's a filthy urchin.
And should be good to go back in if you like video. Thank you.
Can we please get the lasers on, pilot?
Lasers on.
215.
Okay, I think we're good here, video.
To the left. Oh no, that's another one feeding.
Yeah. It's another one of those guys.
That looks like an anemone.
buddy?
He's probably digesting his meal.
Yeah.
Or its meal, I think. They're
Pilot.
looking.
I'm not sure.
It's very nice. This is one of those modified asteroids. Oh, can she hear me?
Yeah, she should be able to hear you. I don't think so. That the precisions have more legs, but she can tell you what she thinks. Archie does have that extra leg. Hey, Marina.
Yeah, I just lost my feed here, so I just have to
Zoom
get
on
back.
this brittle
Sorry.
star video.
I hit the wrong button in my. Yeah, I just lost my feed here, so I just have to get back. Sorry. I hit the wrong button. Yeah, I just lost my feed here.
We're in full.
All right. Well, Santiago asked you if this was a modified opioid.
Asteroid.
Okay.
Looks like he's missing a few legs there.
Bristingits. So I think the thing to the neck to the right is just trash.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
And there seems to be some
Out full, pilot.
some animals on the sponge. A little.
Ah, yes, I see them.
Positive?
Video, could you zoom the camera platform, please? That's good right there. It's a nice Herc at work shot.
Yeah, we can also, let's see if I can sort of float by this sponge here, because it's very calm, and sort of float up as we see these creatures in here, if you want to zoom a little bit. That's good video. Maybe I better sit down here. Come wide again, please, video. Thank you.
Oh, looks like worms. Polychaetes. Is that all the zoom, pilot?
I'm not sure.
Ah, there you go.
Apparently there's more.
We're in now.
That's our full up tilt. That's pretty good. I'm gonna pan down. Or is this just a small, it's not even a crab or anything under that.
Oh, it's a snail, I think. Yes?
Yeah, I see. It's got a tail coming out the other side there.
Yeah.
Video's in full.
Roger that.
Sorry?
You're just
Oh,
nudging
okay.
the sponge with the light bar.
I just looked over at that there.
There.
Come out slow video, and I'm going to try and back away from the sponge here.
You're clear.
EX, this is Seattle.
Go ahead, Seattle.
We were wondering if we could rise up a bit to see the top of the sponge when we're done doing this.
Yeah,
Hmm?
yeah. I think that's fine. Don't worry.
Pilots, just
Thanks.
a heads up that we'll probably need to be getting going in about 7 minutes or so.
Thank you, Nav.
Thank you, Nav. Is there any chance that we can zoom in on the top a little bit?
Let's see if I can steady enough here.
Yeah. Just have them come in slow in stages and then get used to the control response.
Okay. We'll come in a little bit here, video.
Yeah, now fly with that for a little bit.
Come a little closer here. Hold it there, video. More. Hold it there. And continue zoom. Come out, video. I think I want to come a little closer.
Gets a little, yeah, with
Video's out.
distance increases and
A
you
current.
Yeah.
just naturally end up backing off, and then that amplifies your motions.
Yeah, I don't realize how far away I am. I'm trying to watch the camera sled at the same time. So
Yeah.
Can we, pilot, could we perhaps do tests to figure out what the current is like here?
there's not much, but we can do a quick drift test. But that'll be the last thing we do here, if you like.
Yeah, but that would be good information to have.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you all set with the sponge here, Science?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Thank you.
Okay.
Just come under me